wonderful day. And this is my friend Neil. He's also German is a photographer.
I don't see the woodpecker. The fish hawks, the ospreys. I get them catching fish. I love that. I don't want to go here.
Well guys, this is a preview that I did not expect to get. This is a new yacht that you saw in the first clip. It's Lekker. It's a new yacht that it's gonna be doing its debut here in the Miami International Boat Show, and that boat is hull number 1. So that's basically the first yacht of that model, and it's here in America to be showcasing in one of the boat shows. So also I want to take this opportunity to let everybody know that I will be attending this year's show, so more yacht and boat content coming from the show pretty soon. Also, I want to thank everybody that is supporting the channel by always leaving a comment below and using that super thanks. It's incredible. I never thought, I never asked, but people are sending us small amounts of money through that, and that's helping the channel to keep afloat. It takes a lot of time and effort to bring all this content, and money is an issue. So thanks again for the people that are supporting the channel, and I will be out filming more this whole weekend, so stay tuned for more from Haulover and some other areas in Miami. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.